AI, generative AI as AI.
Microsoft का ChatGPT and Google का Gemini are one of the best generative AI tools out there on the internet. हमें से काफ़ी लोगों को लगता है कि they will take our jobs या they will control the world. Maybe not that extreme, but seriously, you can use these tools to increase your productivity. Here I am sharing 5 ways I use Gemini to increase my productivity at work. Starting with number 1, generating high quality project documentation. At some point of time in your career, you will get a chance to lead a project, and उस दौरान you have to write lot of documentation like product requirement document, design document, emails जिसमें आप status update भेजते हो, and जिनमें most of the time you write that everything is running on track, but असल में सब कुछ हिला हुआ होता है. Just open Gemini or ChatGPT, whatever generative AI tool you want to use, you can open it and you can give following prompt. Keep in mind one thing, do not write any confidential information about your company. Right now, I'm just creating a hypothetical project, which is the Apple Shorts. It is similar to Instagram Reels. I will ask Bard to write following sections as well, such as background, problem statement, and the target audience. I also tell Bard to write it in a very simple English, वरना ये शशि थरूर बन जाएगा, and everyone will say,
अरे कहना क्या चाहते हो?
as you can see, it has generated a very nice overview, and you can use this overview directly with little to no modification on your documents. Number 2 is self-evaluation. हर साल के एंड में you have to write your self-assessment, and I know how painful it is to write that. तुम चाहे जो भी लिख लो, तुम्हें हमेशा meet expectation ही मिलेगा, but not anymore. You can use Bard or ChatGPT to make your review document more elegant. You just need to map your expectation with your work. I can tell you how you can do this. Let's say in this year, I led the effort of making Apple Shorts. I'm using following prompt. I also mentioned Bard to use these details as well, such as I led 3 software engineers, created a design doc, launched with less supervision from senior, and I launched it on time. You can find all those wording on your company's role profile. And Bard generated a very impressive review which you can use. Number 3 is programming. AI अभी इतना एडवांस तो नहीं हुआ कि तुम्हारा सब कोड लिख दे, and it does not have the domain knowledge. So why even I use Bard or ChatGPT for programming? Sometimes what happen is I forgot simple syntax like how to remove elements from a Java list, or maybe how to write an HTTP call in JavaScript. Earlier you used to go to Google to find all this answer, but what I do is I generally go to Bard or ChatGPT. For example, I have a list of string and I want to remove all the strings which starts with XYZ. You can add this prompt to Bard and it will generate an output, and the output looks correct. Number 4 is copywriting. तुम्हें अपने मैनेजर के लिए एक बहुत अच्छा ईमेल लिखना है, या तुम्हें एक लिंक्डइन पोस्ट लिखनी है, या तुम्हें एक शायरी पढ़ के अपने क्रश को इंप्रेस करना है. राइट अ पोएट्री फॉर माय क्रश.
गुलाब की खुशबू से लिपटी सपनों की रानी सी खूबसूरत, तुम्हें देख नजरें थकती नहीं.
Here I am writing a LinkedIn post for this video, and I have seen ChatGPT works better than Bard. As you can see, it has generated a very nice LinkedIn post. You can use this as it is or with a little modification as well. Number 5. I use these tools to research for my videos. And जो तुम अभी वीडियो देख रहे हो ना, that is scripted by Gemini. What is 10 plus 2?
$12.
No, it should be 15.
I apologize for the mistake. You are absolutely right. 10 plus 2 does indeed equal 15.
और ये दुनिया तबाह कर देगा.